Good morning, folks. Back with a quick unboxing video. Only 4 coins are in this box from PCGS, which was attempted to be delivered yesterday and picked up this morning. Only 4 coins in this box. They're all somewhat higher valued coins. This submission right here with 4 items. Sent in September, received about 3 months later. So I just picked it up, I should say delivered. Last one I got back was this bulk submission. Shot a video but never published it. It was still licking my wounds on that one. That was 100 items, obviously, and you know, it was basically all 1954 quarters, 54D, 51D quarters, and then 52 and 53D Franklin halves, a bulk order. And we got a lot of 65s. We got quite a few 64 full bell lines. We didn't get any home run grades. We got one MS66 quarter, and that was a 1954. We got a bunch of MS62s and 63s, and we even got a handful of AU58s. Ironically, the 58s are going to probably sell stronger than the 63s and maybe even the 64s, certainly the 62s, because obviously they qualify for the everyman sets. I've already put a handful on eBay, and the AU58s have commanded the attention so far. So this 4 coin submission contains 2 Morgan dollars, CC Morgan dollars, common date. I believe it was 1883 and 1884 CC, so amongst the most common. There's an 1895 O dime and a 1909 VDB penny, which I wasn't 100% sure was genuine. I was fairly sure. I think it matched die pair number 3. If you know anything about authentication of VDB pennies, 1909S. But I'm about to open it up, and we'll see what the results are. But I will preface it with both the dime, the 95 O dime, and the 09S VDB penny were sent in strictly for verification of them being genuine. The 1909S VDB penny is one of the most heavily counterfeited coins. I'm going to estimate it is about very good details with a rim bruise, which is, so I assume it will come back, if it's genuine, as very good details with damage or rim damage or whatever, maybe even cleaned. And the 95 O dime is probably AG details, cleaned, scratched, but they add mint marks to that particular coin. So I will be back after opening this box. And we've got the box open. They send you the next submission form. It's awful courteous of them. And they do send the box, even for just 4 coins. So you can see it's taped up. And let's go ahead and cut that tape. Coins are down this end, so we're going to hope for 4 slabs at the very least. I don't want to see that. All right, we got 4 slabs, so I don't know if one of these was in a body bag. I do not know if it wasn't genuine, I do not know if all 4 would be in the holder. So I want to start with the Morgan dollars if I can, because those are the ones the least value, if you will, the most common. So it looks like we have a Morgan dollar at the back end. And we don't have that dreaded genuine, not gradable. So we're off to a somewhat good start, I guess. See if we can get some better lighting on this. And I have no idea what the grades are. I haven't looked. So, you know, a nice lustrous, mostly white CC Morgan dollar. Flip it over without looking at the grade. And it's an 84, as I predicted. I can't remember what I sent in, but you know, I think I predicted both of these to probably grade 62 or 63. You know, it's hard to really get a good camera shot holding the camera with one hand and covering up the grade with the other. So, let's see if I can cover up the grade. I don't know if it just showed up on the video or not. Get a little better lighting here. I mean, it's mostly clean surfaces, I would say. I don't know what would hold this back from less than a 63. So I'm going to say it's a 63. Yeah, it's a 62. I knew it was a 62 or a 63 going in. Yeah, I just haven't really had a good chance to look at it in too much detail. But now that I'm got a little better camera shot, I can see the scuffing on the cheek. So it is what it is. So that's one. And let's see what we got for the next one here. Again, we have a, we don't have that dreaded genuine not gradable. So at least both Morgan dollars are deemed good enough to warrant a straight grade. This one, I believe, is an 83 or an 82. It might be the 82, actually. And, you know, I thought one of them was slightly better, so maybe this is it. Maybe this is a 63. As that first one was a 62. I'm trying to get a better shot. But, yeah, it's probably one or the other. It's close. Certainly no better than a 63. Maybe just a 62. 63. All right. So it is what it is. They came back pretty much as I expected. Not even sure of the purpose of sending those in other than to just increase the coin submission from 4 coins up. I mean, from 2 coins up to 4. So next we have the dime. And this one is also straight graded somehow. I expected a details holder. It's pretty miraculous, if you ask me, that they would straight grade this, because I really expected it to come back cleaned or scratched. There's the giant O mint mark. I mean, maybe it's fair 2 as opposed to AG3. But I don't send a lot of these in. But the 95 O dime is very scarce. I won't go as far as to say it's rare, but because of the possibility of added mint marks, it was worth sending in for encapsulation, in my opinion. So I say it's, you know, because they straight graded it, maybe they net graded it to a fair 2. You know, I don't know if there's enough there for an AG grade or not. And there's a couple of heavy scratches above the eye. And sure enough, fair 2. So I'm not surprised by that. I knew it was going to be close, AG or fair. And just not enough meat on the bone to get to AG3. So again, it is what it is. And I can't believe this got a straight grade. With the rim bruise, I can't believe that this was not details graded. This is the 09S VDB. There's your VDB. And there's the 09S, but there's a rim bruise that's conveniently covered up by the plastic. How on earth this didn't come back in a details holder is a minor miracle. Clearly it's straight graded, but I didn't even give it a second thought that it would be anything other than details, and it was sent in strictly for being genuine. Now the question is this very good? Or is it good 6? It's certainly not fine, that's for sure. I would say it's borderline. I'm gonna guess, you know, knowing how tough PCGS is, even though I think it's very good, I'm gonna say it's a good 6. And I don't know what you think. I don't have a lot of experience in these. Wish I had better lighting. No matter what I do, the lighting just isn't that great. That's probably the best shot we're gonna get. So, all right, we'll do the reveal. A very fine 20. I guess I don't know how to grade. Wow. I didn't even think it was fine. I don't know, man. I don't know if I agree with this one. But thank you for the gift. Makes up for all the bleeding that happened on the bulk submission video. That is absolutely amazing. All right, well, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm somewhat shocked, pleasantly shocked, which usually that doesn't happen. But let's see what we've got here on the Coinfax website. So I guess we went 4 for 4 on straight grades. $1909 VDB Brown, VF20. Wow. Let's go to Coinfax and see what kind of value is expected on a VF20. So, $1,200 coin, and the last one to sell at Stacks and Bowers in November was $960. $1,000 coin. I can't complain. I can't believe it. Clearly, I need to go back to the drawing board on how to grade these. For me to think it was a very good and have it come back 2 full grade levels higher is just, you know, this is not my strength, clearly. I didn't know it was that weak, though. Yeah. I mean, wheat stalks have some lines in them. So, you know, I did reference the guiding, the complete guide to grading Lincoln cents, but they weren't full, and I thought those lines had to be full at a minimum to warrant a VF grade. I didn't think the jaw was, you know, rounded enough. But clearly, I was wrong. They're the experts. So again, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you'd like. Have a good day.